Welcome everyone, here is how you get the battery percentage in iOS 16. You can see it's at the top right hand side here. Let's go. So first of all, you're going to open up the settings app. From here, you're going to scroll all the way down until you see battery. And then from here, where it says battery percentage, by default this toggle will be turned off. Simply tap on the toggle to turn it on. Now, if you have the iPhone mini series, iPhone XR or iPhone 11, the regular 11, not the 11 Pro, you're going to notice it doesn't work. Okay, battery percentage is on, but I do not see the percent at the top right hand side. That's because with these other iPhones here, unfortunately, you're going to have to do an extra step, which is slide down from the top right, and then you'll be able to see the battery percentage. It's inconvenient, however, that's how Apple have done it. But in the future, just give it a shot, and if you see the percentage at the top right, that means Apple has done an update to change that. Now, if your iPhone does not have a home button, when you turn on the battery percentage, you won't get the exact same look like you can see with my iPhone 10. You will still see the battery percent, however it will go to the left hand side, mainly because there is more room at the top of the iPhone compared to with like the iPhone 10 where there's barely any room because of the notch. So with that being said, thanks for watching, see you guys later, bye bye.